How to condition a positive emotional response to your dog's name. Use a currency your dog loves. So this needs to be high value treats. In the upcoming clips, you'll see me use everything from beef heart to lung, to roast chicken, to cheese, dried sprats and fish skins. You'll see me use some fruit because my dog happens to love fruit. So there's some melon, there's some coconut, and there's some apple. If your dog doesn't love fruit, that wouldn't be something that you use. Use a currency your dog is going to adore. So perhaps some beef jerky, perhaps some hot dog with melted cheese in it, something extra special. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't make use of your dog's meal allowance throughout the day. You absolutely can. But while doing these exercises, we want you to use something extraordinary because response to name is so important. You're going to begin in the quietest room in your house and you will repeat in each room in your house. Once you've done that, and only once you've done that, will you move to a non-distracting outdoor environment. So this is going to be probably your backyard or back garden. Once you've taught in the backyard, you would then move to your front yard. You'll vary your orientation in the environment, so teach the behaviour facing north, south, east and west. Train this response to name at the top of your garden, at the bottom of your garden, to the left, to the right, in lots and lots of different locations. Once you've got a really nice response, you can take the show on the road. You'll begin in a non-distracting street, so a really quiet street with nobody else about, and then practice in different locations out and about. Sit or stand directly in front of your dog. Say your dog's name and feed a tasty treat. That's it. That's how we're going to begin conditioning a positive emotional response to our dog's name. In the upcoming clips, you'll see me doing this in an outdoor environment. The behaviour has already been conditioned indoors, so please don't skip that step.
Jambo! 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 Good boy, finished. Jambo! 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 Good boy. That's it, finished. Jambo! 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 No, finished. Good boy.
Repeat this conditioning exercise several times a day for a minimum of 3 days. And during this time, you're not going to use your dog's name unless your dog's already directly in front of you, sitting, standing or lying down in front of you, or you can guarantee 100% that they're coming towards you and that they are going to come to you. If you can't bet on this, if you can't bet $100 that your dog is coming to you, then you're not to use their name for 3 days. During this time, you can use other things like a positive interrupter, a happy clap, yay, 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 or pup, pup, or a kissy noise to attract your dog's attention to you. But please do not use their name until you have completed 3 days of conditioning.
Jambo! Jambo! Jambo. Jambo.